The world feels fragile right now. You can sense it in the quiet anxiety that lingers in conversations with friends and family. You can feel it when you open your bank app and see how far your paycheck really goes. You can see it in the way people talk about the future, with a mixture of worry, exhaustion, and quiet resignation. The ground beneath our feet is shifting, and many are beginning to feel it deeply in their daily lives. In moments like this, most people wait for things to stabilize again. They hope the economy will improve, prices will come down, jobs will become more secure, and life will return to some version of normal. But a smaller group of people does something different. They wake up. They decide that waiting is no longer an option. They begin to reclaim their freedom. If you have been feeling that inner pull, that quiet knowing that something needs to change, this video is for you. In March of 2026, the world is in a state of fragile transition. Global growth remains modest at best. Inflation has proven stickier than expected in many regions. Energy prices continue to fluctuate due to geopolitical tensions, and the cost of housing and daily essentials keeps rising faster than most people's income. For millions of families, the old promise that work hard and everything will be okay no longer feels true. Debt levels are high, job security feels uncertain, and the daily mental and emotional load of trying to keep up has become exhausting. This fragility is uncomfortable, but it is also a rare window of opportunity. When the old system shows its limits, space opens up for something new to be born, including your own financial and personal sovereignty. Before we speak of the practical steps to reclaim your freedom, let us speak of the fire that truly matters. Inside each of us lives a quiet knowing. We were not meant to spend our lives only trading time for money that barely stretches. There is a deeper urge to create something of our own, to provide for our families with dignity, to wake up one day and realize we have built a stream of income that flows even when we rest. That urge is not loud. It does not shout promises of overnight riches. It simply asks us to begin and to keep beginning day after day in small, soul-aligned actions. Consistency is the hidden architecture of freedom, not heroic all-nighters, not frantic hustle, just the steady, gentle discipline of showing up. Because the compound effect of small, daily choices is what separates those who dream from those who eventually live the dream. When your actions are rooted in service, in honesty, and in patience, the income follows. Not as a miracle, but as the natural fruit of aligned effort. That is the inner fire we will tend together in every episode of this series. Today, in this 5th video, we explore why 2026 is actually the perfect time to awaken and reclaim your freedom, and we take the first practical steps to begin that journey. Here are the exact reasons and the first steps that ordinary people are taking right now. 1. Recognize that the old system is showing its limits. The traditional path of relying on one job, one paycheck, and hoping the system will take care of you is no longer reliable for most people. Wages have not kept pace with rising costs, job security feels fragile, and the daily pressure is becoming unsustainable. This fragility is painful, but it is also waking millions of people up to the need for a new path. 2. Understand that fragility creates rare opportunity. When the old structures become unstable, new possibilities open up. More people are open to alternative ways of earning income. More tools and platforms are available than ever before. The very uncertainty that feels scary is also the soil in which new freedom can grow. 3. Make the inner decision to awaken. This is the most important moment. Decide, quietly and firmly, that you will no longer wait for the world to become stable again. You will begin to take conscious responsibility for your own financial and spiritual freedom, starting today, even if the first steps feel small. This inner decision is the turning point for most people who eventually break free. 4. Choose one escape route and commit to it. From the methods we are exploring in this series, pick one that feels accessible to you right now. Digital products, print on demand, Shopify dropshipping, freelancing, or content creation. Commit to learning and testing it for the next 90 days. The key is focus. One method, done consistently, is far more powerful than trying everything at once. 5. Build the daily consistency habit as your foundation. Protect a daily block of 40 to 60 minutes for focused work on your chosen method. This single habit is what turns your awakening into real, lasting change. Even on difficult days, keep the habit alive with a shorter, minimum viable day version if needed. 6. Protect your inner peace while you build. The journey out of the matrix is as much an inner journey of sovereignty as it is an outer journey of income. Stay grounded, stay patient, and trust the process. The inner work is just as important as the outer work. Take time to rest, to reflect, and to remember why you are doing this. This inner peace is what will sustain you through the ups and downs of building something new. With consistent effort, many people who take this first step begin to see their first meaningful results within 2 to 4 months and reach a stable $1,000, $3,000 per month within 6 to 9 months. The awakening is not instant, but it is real and lasting for those who stay the course. 2026 is a fragile year, but it is also a fertile year. The old system is showing its limits, and that creates space for something new to be born, your own financial sovereignty. The path is not about perfection or speed. It is about beginning today, with whatever small step feels true for you. Choose one method from this series and spend that first 30 minutes learning the very first action you can take. Real freedom begins with the quiet decision to awaken and the daily consistency to keep walking. Many who have walked this path before you say the same thing. The moment they stopped waiting for the world to change and started changing themselves, everything began to shift. The fragility of 2026 is not just a challenge, it is an invitation. An invitation to stop surviving and start creating. An invitation to stop being a passenger in someone else's system and start building your own. The freedom you seek is not somewhere far away. It is already inside you, waiting for you to claim it through small, consistent actions. Every day you show up, you take one more step out of the matrix and one step closer to the life you truly want. Thank you for sharing this time with me on the 5th step of this journey. If this spoke to your soul, I invite you to begin, right now, gently, and to return next week as we go deeper into the next proven way to break free. You are not alone in this. The freedom you seek is closer than it feels. Until then, take care of yourself and keep that inner fire quietly burning. I'll see you in the next video.